What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create a Phonepe account. If you already have the app, go to it and then make sure to open it once it's installed. Now Phonepe accounts are linked to a mobile number. Enter your phone number in the input box and by default the country code is India. You can change it. Scroll down if necessary and tap on Proceed button to continue. Phonepe will send a 4-digit OTP via SMS to your mobile number. Enter it in the box and do not share it with anyone. After entering it, your Phonepe account is automatically created. If your mobile number is linked with a bank account, Phonepe will automatically sync it. No additional bank details are needed at this stage. You can send and receive money instantly, pay bills and recharge mobile or DTH, and scan or pay QR codes at stores. Access UPI services for secure transactions also. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.